Alright, happy New Year's Eve, y'all. We just decided to experiment today with fried boiled egg. And this is the first experiment. This is the second experiment. And this is the third experiment. So we took some, what's this, flour and seasoning.
Yeah.
And then added some water.
Yeah.
And then put it in the grease.
Made a slurry and then put it in the grease.
And then so with this one, we did put it in the flour, the slurry mix with the flour and water, and then we put it in the dry flour and seasoning, and then put it in the grease. And then this one we did a double dip where we put it in the flour, water, the dry flour, back in the wet mix, and then back in the dry mix. And this is what came out. And we also experimented with some potato chips, and we took potato. Oh, you hear that crunch though, right? You hear that crunch?
Oh, so good.
Okay.
I was waiting. No,
I need to get a side cup of ranch and dip it. It'll be just right. But yeah, we experiment, y'all. Definitely passing the taste test. All right, and my wife, being the sweet lady that she is, I asked for ranch, and she went and got me some ranch, y'all. Got that Hidden Valley buttermilk ranch, you know what I mean? Yeah, there it is. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna dip the chip. Yup, this is good. I guess we gonna get into our fried boiled egg.
Oh Lord. We're gonna try this.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Another chip. Oh god.
I'm ready.
Nice and crisp. Start with the slurry one first. This one did not have the flour coating at the end, but it did have the slurry, the flour and water mix in the very beginning. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, y'all, but I know it was like a flour and water mix.
Alright, so we're gonna cut it in half. Right. This is number one. Gonna go in order. So this is after we cut it in half.
Look like it's just breaking apart so easily. It's not.
So the coating didn't stick to the egg as much, but we're gonna try it out. Okay. I would definitely throw some seasoning on there.
Oh, it was plain boiled eggs.
Still good nonetheless. If you like boiled eggs. Sorry it's rude to talk to mouthful, but alright, so it's the season I be trying to put y'all on. Johnny's 2 ends. We used a what's this, an old garlic powder container.
Great value.
And recycled it and made our own little to-go Johnny's seasoning salt. Alright, so number 2.
Okay. Okay, it didn't break as bad.
Yeah, so see how the coating is sticking to the egg a little better. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, the coating stick.
It comes off a little bit, but not that much, you know.
Yeah.
Not as much as that first one.
Okay.
Okay.
And you can taste the coating a little more too. It goes with the egg. Dip it in our Hidden Valley right here.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good, y'all. All my boiled egg people out there. Get into this last one. Yeah, this is crispity, crunchy. Experiment number 3.
Okay, put it right in the middle.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Now I did boil the eggs yesterday, so it has like a little green kind of, but it's not old.
Yeah, they were boiled yesterday, set in the refrigerator overnight, and then we fried them today. Let's get into it.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. You definitely want to go with the double dip. The wet mix, then the dry mix, then the wet mix, then the dry mix again, and then put in the grease For how long they sit in there? Just for a couple minutes?
Yeah, it don't take that long. So it's boiled eggs, so
Yeah,
you're
it's
just trying to
already
get
cooked.
the coating crisp. Got a punch to it.
Hey, this is good, y'all. Hey, if y'all decide to try it, let us know what y'all think and how it came out. But on our side, came out good. I don't know if y'all can hear us crunching, but it's good. It's a good crunch. It's like a crispy crunch, not a real hard crunch. So, hey, we thank y'all for spending time with us, man. You know what I mean? And definitely gonna have more videos to come. Looking for spending more time with y'all as well as with each other. And happy New Year's, prosperous New Year's. God bless y'all, and hope for the best for y'all.
Bye.